You don't notice your outlets until there aren't enough. ELEGRP keeps things simple, so you can power what matters without giving up space or comfort. Less time waiting, more time doing. Because every second counts when something big is on the horizon. It's the quiet kind of power that fuels your goals and wins. Some things should just work, safely, quietly, without a second thought. So you can focus on what's right in front of you. No more fumbling in the dark. Let ELEGRP light the way. Certified quality, trusted reliability. ELEGRP, your one-stop shop for home outlets.